What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another live cop video. Today we're going for the Air Jordan Retro 13s in Lucky Green. It's live right now. Let's go, let's go. Alright, we're entered on our two phones. Okay, it's submitted on the two phones right now, and it says we joined on the desktop. I will update you guys in a few minutes to see if we copped a pair, and I also have one slot going for two pairs. Alright, so I have an update for you guys. We did not get them on the desktop, but I'm going to check my other two accounts. So right now, we're checking. It says sold out. So it's looking like a no, we did not get a pair. Alright, and on my other account, it does say sold out as well. So I did run some slots through Lace Network, and luckily enough, I got a charge for Foot Locker and Finish Line. So we got two pairs of the Lucky Green Air Jordan 13. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, and also check out this video that YouTube recommends that you watch.